When information is stored in the cloud, it's sent via the internet to hardware controlled by a third party, rather than being saved to a hard drive in a computer or to a server on a local network. Similarly, users can run programs and view files not physically installed on their own information systems. Cloud computing has the advantage of reducing the need for expensive data storage and processing equipment. The disadvantage is that users surrender some control of their information. Reliability of access and data security is only as good as the provider offering the service. Providers range from huge multinational companies such as Google and Microsoft to small companies running server farms. And why is it called the cloud? Because engineers used a cloud-shaped symbol to represent a group of physical devices that form a network. First telephones on an exchange, and then computers on the internet.